Welcome, this is Minu Chaudhary for Channel NE24. A mysterious late-night theft occurred at a house number 36 on Binay Badal Lane located on Hailakandi Road in Silchar. The house belongs to Rupam Roy, head of the Commerce Department at Radha Madhav College. The burglary took place in a room rented out by him. The tenant, Jitesh Kumar Surana, an assistant professor of NCD College in Kalinagar, Katakal, has been living in this house for the past 3 years. On Wednesday around 5 a.m., he woke up to find the room in complete disarray. The almirah was open and various documents like ATM cards and bank passbooks were lying scattered. However, gold ornaments, cash and a mobile phone were missing. He immediately informed the Rangirkhari police station and lodged an FIR. Police arrived at the scene and have started an investigation. For more news and updates, subscribe our channel NE24, YouTube and support us by following our Facebook page.
আজকে জানছি যে 2 মাস আগে আমরা দুই বাড়ি পরে চুরি হয়েছিল, ওই সময় আমরা বড় আছি। এরপরে আজকে জানছি যে তারা আইসে, পাড়ার মানুষ আইসে, আইয়া কইছে যে তোমরা সতর্ক থাকতে পারছো না, আর 2 মাস আগে তো চুরি হয়েছে, আমরা তো জানিও না। তারাও পুলিশ কেস করছে কিন্তু কোনো এখন পর্যন্ত কিছু হয়েছে না। 2 মাস ধরে তারারও কিছু হয়েছে না।